All right, we're in this building in Omaha here. That's a cool picture. I think that's the city, or that's the state hall. Anyway, we got a O'Keefe elevator here. Quite the bell. Oh, this is a nice cab. What does it say? Read that if you like. Anyway, up to 3. Sorry. Just doing a project on the elevator. You got some nice sunlight in here. The indicator's mostly burnt out. Also, this one's not an O'Keefe, it's just a Dover. Maybe that's just labeled as such, but probably was still installed as O'Keefe. Anyway. That will be it.